Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bitcoin is already at $45,000, flying to the moon again. We must board the rocket. Urgently. I hear a lot of rumors among my friends and acquaintances, and it's clear that cryptocurrencies are back on the hype again, and many want to make money on them. So I decided that I needed to find a cool strategy on how to make money with Bitcoin. And I went back to the basics, to the source code. That's why today I will share with you how you can dramatically increase your deposit by 30,000% in one day. Watch till the end to learn about the secret method of earning $900 or more from trading every day without any stress and for free.
Wow.
Hello, my dear hacker trader. It's Evelyn, a trading master with more than 5 years of experience in the markets. And for a long time, I have been completely focused on making money with binary options. My income, you ask? Over $1.5 million this past year. I created a community of beginners and advanced traders with 22,000+ subscribers in Telegram. Together with me, they earn about $800 to $900 every weekday. And damn, it's so nice when I receive tons of messages about how grateful my subscribers are for my signals that help them solve financial problems and reach the ultimate freedom.
I was almost like giving up trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
And I welcome everyone in my community, especially you. Join our community and be sure to write me a private message. You'll be amazed how you can change your world with this simple gesture. You can find the link to the channel in the description under this video and the pinned comment. And now a few words about strategy. Today I will show you how you can make money on the most popular cryptocurrency, and we will compare this method of making money with our usual one on the foreign exchange market.
Really? That's interesting.
I have about $9 in my account, and I plan to close this session with an amount close to $3,000, which of course I will achieve in less than 15 minutes. For comparison, Bitcoin made a maximum profit of 40% over the last month, and I plan to make plus 30,000% in 13 minutes. Are you shocked? Then look further. First of all, let's head over to our platform, Pocket Option, and the most important thing is to choose the right ingredients. Let's set our candlestick time frame here at 30 seconds and the trade time at 1 minute. And the highlight of today's program is Bitcoin. Perfect. Next on the list is choosing our pairs for today. Third and final step, indicators. A rune. Yeah, all the settings are correct, and stochastic here. All the settings are correct as well. A rune is a technical indicator with which traders can detect a trend and its direction, as well as reversals at the earliest stages of formation. The stochastic oscillator is a momentum indicator that compares a specific closing price of an asset to its range of highs and lows over a specific period. The basic idea is that momentum precedes price, so a stochastic oscillator can give signals about the actual price movement just before it happens. Simply said, a rune shows the direction of the future trend and predicts reversals or continuations of the direction of the candles, and stochastic predicts momentum with its lines. By the way, how often do you trade crypto? And how much did you earn in one day? Tell us in the comments below about your successes. It will be very productive to share our experiences. Now we are ready to start trading, and we need to start right, so yes, let's dance.
All right. Let's dance.
Australian and US dollar. Stochastic predicts an impulse to new highs. A rune also signals an upcoming reversal. We invest higher. Bang! Just like that. 1, 2, and our deposit doubled $17. Yes, in just 1 minute. And we are trading according to all the principles of regular trading. Okay, next. On the second pair, here we are also at the very beginning of a trend reversal, which means we will follow a new uptrend, going higher. A little more, and beautiful. Now we have $32. We're off to a great start. Guys, don't slow down. Next up, we have Aussie and Canadian dollar. A rune shows us with clear lines the beginning of a new downward trend. So let's not argue and click lower. Bam! Our balance, still modest yet a success, is $62. Turns out that in 4 minutes we earned $53. Pretty decent if you ask me, but it will be even cooler. To reach my level of expertise in trading, you need to develop observation, instantly see patterns on the chart. So watch my videos with analysis and strategies. Here is an excellent video. In it I raised $5,856 from $1 in 13 minutes. Super effective and profitable strategy. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch this video. It's time for us to open the next door. Whoa, a little weak. It currently has low volatility on lower time frames, as it is a very stable currency. And the indicators? Stochastic predicts a fall, a rune predicts a continuation of the fall. In short, everything is down. Let's click lower. Boom! And we have $71. Yes, here Bitcoin's profit percentage is only 15. I mean, in general sense, this is too little. And we have the first pair again. We stumbled upon a trend that formed a channel. At the same time, the price remains in a falling trend. Pushing the lower button now. Wow, and we are profitable again, $136. And of course, this is not our final one. Let's move on. Aussie and Swiss franc. We're going lower on this one. Both of our indicators are indicating a fall, and we entered at the very beginning of the red candle. This means the bet is down. Amazing! Our earnings have now reached $261, but let's not stop there. Okay, the third pair is already setting up, and I think she will turn out to be as obedient as Forest. Here we see how the stochastic predicts future upward momentum, so let's be obedient ourselves and go higher. Beauty. Our funds are already $501, and since I continue to share my trading experience with you all my kittens, I think I deserve a like for this video. Support the cause!
Thank you for that.
Meanwhile, Bitcoin actually went crazy. For some reason, it is not on the list of cryptocurrencies. Then let's start again with the first pair, Australian and US dollar. There is a weak market development here, and the outgoing impulse is not enough for the candles to push down on the 1 minute time frame. So let's invest higher. What a great deal! $962 from $9. Very good. But this is not the limit. Australian and Swiss franc. It is quite expected that there will be an upward rebound, especially if you enter at the very bottom of the red candle. Bet higher. Pam. Fabulous! We're already at $1,847. We move like a trainer's schedule. We know where the price will go to every time. Australian and Canadian dollar again. Here, on the contrary, the candle has reached the resistance level and we're expecting a pullback. A rune also hints at the start of a downtrend. Click lower. Perfect. We have made $2,767, and now it's obvious that you shouldn't be afraid of binary options in general, only when you overcome fear. Superpower open up to you. Suddenly, Bitcoin is available to us. Let's edit again. If we pay attention to the stochastic impulses, we will get a forecast for an upward movement. So, just like on other pairs, we invest higher. Great job! This was beautiful, even though Bitcoin let us down. Our earnings amounted to $2,917 in 13 minutes, and this is from $9. And it turns out we increased the deposit by more than 30,000% in 13 minutes. Well, what crypto is capable of this? How many times a year? And on binary, I can make such figures every other business day. I became so interested in binary trading that I even wrote a book about it and gave an interview to Bloomberg. I was able to buy myself a luxurious house and incredibly cool cars. I travel constantly and it energizes me. I lead a huge number of people on Telegram and give them signals for trading, the same ones that I use myself. Oftentimes, I find myself drowning in countless messages saying thank you because I help them change their lives, but they simply copy my transactions. I explain in detail how to use the Pocket Option platform, right down to when and what to press, and in great detail, step by step, and you can become part of my community. It's absolutely free, and remember, you can also copy my trades and earn $800 to $900 every day. And yes, my win rate is 86.6%, which means that the number of lost trades is very small. In just a couple of days, you will understand trading and win your first trades. Trading, strategies, signals, indicators, it's not at all as confusing as it might seem at the beginning. And I personally will help you figure everything out. You just need to enter my trades and you will earn good money. There are just a couple of simple steps left to do. Add to my Telegram channel and write me a private message. Simple as that. And then you'll enter a whole new world filled with money, where you will be able to make your dreams come true. Hop on board now. Follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under this video. It was cool. Great test of earning money on Bitcoin. And of course, the binary options market has made it clear that it is simply the best for stable earnings. As always, dear kittens, I look forward to your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Keep looking into my past videos on the channel. Here is a cool video. Here I test trading with GPT chatbot and earn $1,742. Look, understand, test. Click here or look for the link in the description. And be sure to invite your friends to my channels. We subsequently took over the world. Let's gather a massive community of traders. I love everyone. Kisses. See you in my cozy Telegram.